Good morning, students. In the last session, we solved the question based on the test of similarity. The basic tests are AAA test, SSS test, and SAS test. And one of the another test we learned, that is AA test. That also I said that if two angles are congruent, means third is automatically congruent to each other. Now up to 4 question we solved in the last session. Now remaining question of 1.3 I am going to explain you. Now see the question number 5. The given in the trapezium PQSR. PQRS. Side PQ is parallel to SR and AR is equal to, what is given? AR is equal to 5 times AP and AS is equal to 5 times of AQ. Then we have to prove that SR is also equal to 5 times of PQ. Very simple, students. If you are observing this, all these sides are related to these two triangles, triangle APQ and triangle ASR. We have to show, means indirectly what we have to do? We have to show these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, means their all sides are in a equal proportion. Now how to show it? Very simple. What is given? It is a trapezium and this side is parallel to this side. PQ is parallel to SR. So, and if SQ is a transversal, then we can say that QSR angle is equal to PQA. Alternate angles. Because QAS are linear, collinear. Now, if you are taking PR is a transversal, then QPA is equal to SRA. If you are observing that in triangle ASR and triangle APQ, these two angles are congruent. Just we saw because alternate angle. So by A test, the two triangles are similar to each other. By A test, these two triangles are similar to each other. Even now here I given the vertical opposite angle. PAQ is SAR, vertical opposite. This also we can show. It depends on you. It is not compulsory these two triangles only you have to show. You can show any two angle. If you are showing 3, then also no problem. Okay, all these 3 angles are corresponding angles are congruent to each other, and therefore the test of similarity, these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, their sides are in equal proportion, and therefore AS upon AQ is equal to SR upon PQ. Yes, the corresponding sides of similar triangle. In the geometry from 9th standard I am going to say you these reasons are very important. For the step half marks and for the reason half marks you will get. Okay, and therefore AS is equal to 5 times AQ, and therefore SR is also equal to 5 times of PQ. Understood, students? Very simple question it is. Next question number 6. In trapezium ABCD, this is a trapezium. Here also trapezium given, and this CD is parallel to AB. These diagonals are intersecting at point O. If AB is 20 of DC, AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, and OB is equal to 15, then find OD. We have to find out OD. Very simple. Now how to do? Firstly, show the two triangles, they are congruent. Which two triangles? Triangle OBA and OCD. Now see, side AB is parallel to CD. Okay, segment BD is a transversal. Then these two angles are congruent. Which angle? DBA and CDO, or you can say OBA and ODC. Okay, so because of alternate angles. Now in triangle OBA and a triangle OCD, angle BOA and angle COD are the vertical opposite angle. From first, these two angles are congruent, and therefore by A it is these two triangles are similar. So OBA is similar to ODC. Here 1-to-1 correspondence is very important. O is angle with O, B angle with D, and this C angle with A. Therefore OBA is congruent with ODC. Don't write OCD. Okay, and therefore the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in equal proportion, and OB upon OD is equal to AB upon DC. What is OB? OB is equal to 15. OD is equal to, we have to find out, AB is 620 and DC is 6. So by cross multiplication you will get OD is equal to 4.5 unit. Simple, like a same like a fifth question. Just we have to calculate here, there only we have to show that. Now this is also very simple. Don't be take it is hard because the diagram is a little bit complicated. Very simple question. Same concept we have to use. Just how to use, that is important. The logic to solve the geometry question is only important, because theorem if you know, then you can easily find out, we can easily show the proof or calculate the answer. Now see, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now for that purpose, all the properties of quadrilateral you have to know. In 8th standard also we learn, in 9th standard also we learn the quadrilateral properties. If you know the property, definitely the challenging question also you can solve. Now in ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect the ray AB at point T. Okay, see, ABCD parallelogram. D is point intersecting BC at point E and it is extend up to point T. Then show that D into B, DE into BE is equal to C into T, CE into T. If you are observing now, we have to show these two triangles are congruent. Similar. Very simple. If they are similar, their sides are proportion. Just you have to shift the side. How? Now see, ABCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, what is the property? Opposite sides of parallelograms are parallel. And therefore AD is parallel to BC and AB is also parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to DC, this AT is also parallel to DC, because ABT are linear. Okay students, now after understanding the diagram, you have to start the proof of the, then before proof what you have to write, you know that the given, what to prove, and then proof. From proof you have to write ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore the side AB is parallel to DC, therefore AT is also parallel to DC. Just I explain, because ABT are linear. Now an angle DT is a transversal. Now this triangle line is a transversal. Okay, if this segment is transversal and these two lines are parallel, which two angles are alternate angle? Obviously the angle ATD and angle EDC. ATD and EDC, these two angles, or you can say BTE and EDC, they are congruent to each other. And next, in triangle BT and CDE, triangle BTE and triangle CDE. Now these two angles are congruent. These two angles are congruent. Which two? This and this, because of vertical opposite. And therefore these two triangles are congruent by AA test. These two triangles are similar by AA test. Which angles are congruent? See, angle BTE and angle EDC, angle BECT and angle CED. So these two angles are congruent. So by their AA test of similarity, these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, their sides are in a proportion, and therefore T upon D is equal to B upon C. And just by shifting the denominator, you will get the D into B is equal to C into T. Hence proved. Now next question. This is also very simple question. In the adjoining figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. AC, BD intersecting at point P. Then, this line is AP upon CP. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon PD. Then prove that these two triangles are similar. Very simple question. Why Why simple? Now see, already given that these two triangle having the sides are in a proportion, and if you are observing these two triangle ABP and triangle CDP, this AP upon PC is equal to BP upon PD. This is a given, and angle APB is equal to angle CPD, vertical opposite angle, and therefore by these two conditions these two triangles are similar by SAS test. Half of the answer is already given in a question. Understood? Next, this also very simple. In the adjoining figure, in triangle ABC, D is the point on side BC such that this angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. So we have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Very simple. Just two triangles we have to show the similar. Which two? Triangle ADC and triangle ABC. How to show? Now see, BAC and ADC. BAC and ADC. Angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC and angle ACD and angle ACB, because the common angle. So these two angles are congruent, and therefore the triangle BAC is congruent with B के साथ which angle is there? A. BAC is similar to triangle ABAC. Okay, and so it is similar to angle ADC. And therefore, by the test of similarity, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in a proportion. You can see the diagram, or you can by the one-to-one correspondence also you can write the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in equal proportion. And therefore, CA upon CD, which is CA to last two. Here also DC. Okay. And CB is what? CB. This CB and AC. Okay, and by shifting the CA this side and CD this side, you will get CA square is equal to CB into CD. Why to these two sides only? Why I choose? Because according to proof, what I want to prove? This. Therefore, I choose these two sides are in a equal proportion. Understood? So, students, these all questions of 1.3 you have to note down in your notebook, and a stepwise you have to write. I will check that notebook date wise. So many times I am explaining, so many times I message also. So properly write and learn also. Now property of similar triangles. So these are the similar triangle property I want to. Reflexivity. Reflexivity means triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Obviously every triangle is similar to itself. Symmetry. Symmetry means if triangle ABC is similar to DF, and then DF also similar to ABC. This is called as a symmetry. And transitivity. If ABC is with DF with GHI, then ABC is also similar to GHY, and this property is called as transitivity. So these three property of similar triangle, that also you have to note down in your notebook. Understood, students? So do study and write all the things in your notebook properly. In the doubt session, you can ask me the doubt. Thank you, students.